Good day and welcome to my community. Today we're going to go into Adobe Express and we're going to caption a video. So in Adobe Express you have the main screen, and within the main screen there are the quick editing tools, caption video. So we'll start with that, press that. From there, bring in your video. Keep in mind that your videos need to be no longer than 5 minutes. Otherwise, you won't be able to use the caption video tool. Okay, so now the video has rendered itself. There are a number of ways in which we can edit the caption text, and that's in the initial, after it's finished rendering, or in the second phase, which I'll show you in a moment. So we have the caption edit text, and then we have choose a style. So we have standard, basic, blast, blocks, loud, modern, and so on. What I would like to do is show you something within editor that would give us a few more options essentially. Okay. So as mentioned, we have the text. And within the text, we have quite a few different options. We have edit, effects, and animation. Within the editing, we can choose different fonts. So there's two different ways to choose fonts. There's the pop-ins. There's also the other formats that we can choose from. We have bold, italics, outline. We can choose a different color and also the different layout for the text. Effects. So right now we're using the block text. We can also use some of the other shapes that go with that as well. And there's a number of other shapes to choose from. And if you want, you can also animate the text. And so for example, we could do add fade, flicker, and many other things. Okay, thank you very much for watching and have a good day.